Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KODK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from, and talked about how, at first I thought that what happened today was going to happen on Wednesday, but I was just a day off. And you can see right here that the price is now broken down below that green line there. So essentially the price has gone right back to where it all began. And this is, if this is the first video you've watched of mine, to just set up that context. So before that, this monster move happened right there, right? I think we'd all agree that was a monster move. The price was right down here. And now all of a sudden you look at where the price is, and if you correspond that over, you can see that it's right back to where it was. So in other words, said another way, that implies that the price absolutely exploded up. I meant to grab white there. There we go. The price exploded upwards and then now went right back to where it was. So, call that whatever you want. Call it a pump and dump. Call it just a fake breakout. I don't know what kind of terminology you wanted to use to describe that price situation, but a brutal move. And this is also what brings about the first update here. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closable, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of a chance at all of another nice move happening, then that first break point is definitely going to be right there at $7.60. Again, that's just based off of the good old-fashioned 101 principle that levels of support tend to act as resistance. So 760, that current level of resistance, as far as now supports are concerned. Next key level is just simply where the bleeding stopped previously. That was right down around 665. Which you can see is, from that area on the chart. So 760, main level of resistance moving forward. 665, main level of support. But yeah, overall, that upwards movement has completely now officially been wiped away. But who knows, maybe something else is in store, and we'll see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.